Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify abroad 14 days. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify abroad 14 days, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a second, 2 seconds, and you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.